How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where on Tuesdays, I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the San Juan Reimagined. This is what you've been asking for. I'm telling you guys, I have come back today with a all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday where I am featuring the San Juan Reimagined. This has been a heavily requested floor plan to bring back because it is a model that can potentially sleep 8 to 10 individuals. So with that said, we've added our tweaks and our revisions to make the San Juan Reimagined that you see right here behind me. And with this particular model, it is a 13 feet wide, 39 feet long, and that's including the 8-foot front porch. And it's on sale today for $125K. $125,000, you get everything that you see besides furniture and decor. Now, before you run to the comments and say, Mr. Tiny, $125,000 for a tiny home, when I go in, you'll see where that money goes. But starting here on the exterior, you can see we add that curb appeal. The San Juans that we featured in the back, we've never added a porch. This is a first. So we've added a porch at 8 feet. You can see the exterior. We boast the rockwood red exterior base. We have a winter feather front accent wall as well as bump outs on the side of the home, and the interior porch ceiling is in winter feather as well. We also have the gray fox post as well as your trim going around the home. And then to top it all off, we added the black metal roof and gray composite decking. So with that said, if you're subscribed like you should be, you know all of those features are coming in with a 30-year warranty on your siding, your metal roof, and your decking. You can see that we've even added the black metal rails here on the porch. So what does that mean? Zero maintenance, ladies and gentlemen. So that's what you love and that's what you expect here from Recreational Resort Cottages. Also, on the front porch, you see we've returned with the crow's feet right there and the beam. So we give you that accent from the curb appeal of the front aesthetic. And as you come up onto the front porch, you'll notice with 8 feet of front porch space, you're going to get plenty of living space to work with. And on this, you can sit there, put a couple of chairs, you can put a outdoor sectional here. But as you see, when you look up, you have an exterior ceiling fan with 2 can lights. So that makes this a great area to relax and enjoy 399 square feet of living. Before we go inside, you'll see that we have the front window here, as well as a 7-foot prismatic window above the front door. We chose to go ahead and complement with the rockwood red front door in a cottage style pattern as well. As always, guys, I can sit there and talk about the exterior all day long, but this is what you came for. Follow me inside so I can show to you how the San Juan Reimagined is your next 399 square foot tiny home. As you come in, for those clients that have been interested in downsizing their family, or my investors that are interested in sleeping more individuals in a tiny home, so that way they can accommodate more guests, in turn, increase their ROI, their return on their investment, the San Juan Reimagined is a great model for you. So as you enter the front area, what we chose to do is basically change the configuration. What we've done here is made this front wall here your main living room wall. You see that you have space for a small couch. If you take out the decor here, you can even go to a larger couch as well. And we have the windows here on the side, bringing in the natural light, and then a clear story up top, bringing in even more of that light that you love. And with that said, if you look straight up, you'll see that we have the black Duffy ceiling fan and the tray ceiling with white shiplap accent inside. You notice What's so great about the San Juan Reimagined is the ceiling height. This has 11-foot sidewalls running from front to back of this home, so it feels so much larger. What we've done as well, in the previous models, you would have the area where this was a bench seat. Well, we made this an area where you can basically place your TV up above, so that way you have a designated TV space if you chose to use this area. And then directly across from this, you have a dining area in a 399 square foot tiny home. You don't have to sit at the island. You don't have to sit at a bar. You have a designated dining area. In the previous San Juan, this is where the door entered. It was a side entry. We had no porch. So we added the porch off of the end, so that way you can utilize this space accordingly. What I love about this, you have enough space for the small table, and then the one-of-a-kind features that you see here, the limited run chandelier, which is a Recreational Resort Cottages exclusive. You're not getting this anywhere else but Recreational Resort Cottages, and we've chosen to add that here. So you got that hanging down, bringing just oh my gosh, just bringing that feel into this area that feels so lovely and elegant. And then, of course, another window right here so you can look out onto your property. You can see another clear story up top. We're trying to maximize this space and make 399 square feet feel so much larger. With that said as well, what's great about this model is it is a double loft. It has a double loft, but not only that, you have two main rooms downstairs before you go up to the loft. And you can see here what we've done is we left this front loft open with the rails, so that way you can see right up. And then of course we have what I call the teenage suite, which is the private loft in the back that we'll get to in a second. But before we get there, look at this galley style kitchen that leads right here from the living area. And we have this little half wall here just for some separation. And then you have your dishwasher down below. You have your cabinetry going throughout the kitchen. We chose to add the Granito Cascada countertops running throughout this home. We've paired that with the Casablanca Sky backsplash, which is a limited run tile. Again, a feature that you can only get here at Recreational Resort Cottages. We've paired that with the gray painted cabinets. We kept the standard nickel knobs on the cabinets as well, but then we accompanied that with a single basin stainless steel farm sink and detachable sprayer. You've got your window up above. We had finished out this tape and texture there so we could add in a small can light. So that way we make sure it's the little things, ladies and gentlemen, that we think about because we have the years of experience to back it up. So when you go tiny, we think about those small features that are going to help you in years to come. And then you see clear story windows going throughout, of course, making the space feel so much larger. Right here in this kitchen, again, you have those 11-foot sidewalls. You have the cabinets up top, but right across from here, why not utilize this for additional storage? We have the 3-door pantry right here. And you can see soft closed cabinets, ladies and gentlemen. That's the quality that you get with Recreational Resort Cottages. Also, we have the built-in hutch. This is great for your coffee makers, your blenders, etc. You have the outlets there. We've paired that Casablanca Sky backsplash here as well. We have the additional cabinetry up top, drawers down below, stainless steel appliances that you'll see, smooth top. We have your lovely convection oven, and then the side-by-side fridge with ice in the door. Before we go on back, you'll see here, tucked off. This is what I love about the San Juan. We have your stackable wash machine and dryer area tucked off towards the rear of the home. So that way this wall sticks out. So that way it's out of sight, out of mind from your guests. But again, this is the San Juan Reimagined. So there's going to be some features throughout this home that you are going to see here first because we listen to you. Hey, if you got a wardrobe like Mr. Tiny, then what do you need when you go downsizing into a tiny home? A lot of you have been requesting, Mr. Tiny, I need more space for my clothing. I need a space to put my winter clothes when I'm wearing the summer clothes, etc. Well, how about a dressing room? Yes, a dressing room in a 399 square foot tiny home. Follow me. We'll come right in here and look at this. Oh yeah, we did that. We did that. You see right here, you got the space for your small vanity over here in the corner. You got, of course, the window right there, the clear story window. And then we have the built-ins. These are all options you can choose to have or exclude, totally up to you. But we have the shirt cabinets right here on each side, so you can hang up your shirts. We've got the additional dresser drawers down below. We have the shoe racks in between. Again, this is the dressing area. You can put a full-length mirror in here, whatever you like. Now, for those of you that would not like to utilize this as a dressing room, you could take this out. Now you have an additional sleeping space, a small office. The options are endless. We simply want to showcase this to you so you know the possibilities, because we do this in and out, day in, day out for several clients. And there's clients that ask for dressing rooms, and you've got one right here in the San Juan Reimagined. Now, with that said, let's leave out of the dressing room, take it back to this second door right here. What's that leading to? Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. We've got the bathroom. You follow me right in here, and you're going to see the space where we have a half wall with splash glass shower. But what's so lovely is you have the abundance of space here with the window, the illusion style window there, which basically you can't see in. Of course, this is your bathroom. You want some privacy. We kept the countertop going here. We kept subway tile going there in your bathroom. And then we step in to the half wall shower, and you're going to have the Carrera marble tile here. And then we've chosen to add the white grout. We have the built-in niche right here for you, so you can put your soaps and shampoos. We have the rain style shower head here. Again, an additional shower head down below. We've elevated this shower area as well, so people for all heights and sizes can accommodate in this shower. Again, I'm 6'1", if you know, so you can see how much space you're able to utilize right here. Also, taking a shower, you got this splash glass right here, preventing any spillage out onto your bathroom floor. You follow me on out, and of course, we're going to take it out from the bathroom. Let's go into the bedroom. And now, this is going to be one of the main rooms in the downstairs. So the thing is, a lot of people ask, Mr. Tiny, can we have 2 rooms in a 399 square foot tiny home? Yes, it is possible. However, when you do that, it's a domino effect. When you add more of something, you get less of something else. What that means is, yes, you are able to add that second room that we just saw earlier, the dressing room. What that does is take away some space from your bedroom, your main bedroom here in the back. With that said, we chose to add a bump out. So right here in this bump out, you are able to accommodate a full-size bed. So you can put a full-size bed here. You still have walkability on each side. We have a small transom right here behind me, as well as 2 additional windows right here. Again, we have the single closet here with a painted white barn door that slides open. You'll see that there's a little cut back here, a little recessed side of the wall. What that is this particular model has a tankless water heater. So with that said, it's an exterior tankless water heater. So it's going to be accessed from the outside. It's a propane tankless. A lot of clients have been adding that just for the peace of mind. So it's going to recess into your closet area a bit. So that's why the dressing room was a necessity in my eyes. You need more space to accommodate your clothing. So we added that dressing room up front so you have plenty of room to do so. And this would just be for some of the extras, whether it's shoes you can put down low, etc. But we close that back here, and I'll show you now. If you choose not to do the tankless water heater, then you don't have to worry about that. You're going to gain that space right there. Also, you'll see right here on this wall, this is going to be the area here that you can control the tankless water heater as well. So you can sit there in your room, just sit there and adjust that accordingly. So that way you can have this home right to the T, just like you like it. And now with that said, I've shown you the 2 rooms on the main floor. Now we can take it up to the loft. What you'll see here with the loft is that we have the open riser stairs. We have them stained in the gray stain, but notice we have this wall side here walled off, and then we have the side of the front loft here with the railing. So that's a cool option. But also, if you see right there, the back loft is fully enclosed with privacy. All you have is the little cutout there, so you're able to access the rear loft. Now follow me up so I can showcase both of these lofts to you. And now we're in the rear loft of the San Juan Reimagined. Again, like I told you earlier, this is a double loft, 399 square foot tiny home. Reason why I love this back loft so much is because, like I told you, it's completely private. It's walled off, so no one can see the back loft area unless you're in the back loft. With that said, it leaves plenty of space and opportunity to accommodate storage. So you can put the Christmas lights up here, then hide them if you want, whether you want to put additional storage bins, things like that. You have the area to do so, or you can include these built-in cabinets like we've done so here, where we got the cabinets here, as well as on the opposite wall. We've even added a specific area where we've elevated the flooring 6 inches, so that way you have a designated bed space. So you can put a mattress up there, have a designated bed area, so then the rest of the space can be utilized as a lounging area, storage area, etc. We have outlets surrounding, we have some TV jacks around, we have the transom window here in the back, we have clear stories on each side. And now when you take it to the front loft, you'll see that one is not as private. However, you have an open space. So that works great for young children. If you have young kids, you want to keep an eye on them while you're downstairs in the living room, make sure they're doing what they're supposed to. You can look through them rails and see them as well. So that is the purpose. You have plenty of options. This is a very flexible and functional floor plan with the San Juan Reimagined. So again, you have plenty of opportunities. Again, I told you this can sleep 8 to 10 individuals. With that said, Mr. Tiny, where do you get the 8 to 10 from? Well, you can put a sleeper sofa in the living area. There's 2. That if you chose to not do the dressing room option and just have that second room down there open, you could accommodate another bed there. There's additional 2. You have the main bedroom. There's 6. You have the front loft. That's 8. You have the rear loft. That's 10. Now you can, I say up to, so that's just going to the extreme, the complete maximum. But you can see that I'm relaying the functionality of this floor plan. Hey, if you're only sleeping 4 or 5, you got more than enough room to do so in the San Juan Reimagined. But this has been a very highly requested and demanded video tour. So guys, I listened to you. I had to bring back the San Juan and just reimagine it, reconfigure it, show you some additional options such as that dressing room, the front porch, some of these built-ins, just so that way you have a great idea of what we're capable of doing here at Recreational Resort Cottages. Also, like I said, this particular model is 13 feet wide, 39 feet long, and that's including the 8-foot front porch. And again, it's on sale today for $125K. $125,000, you get everything that you saw today besides the furniture and decor. So what I need you to do right now is hit that like button. Hit that like button, that thumbs up, and that notification bell, so that way you're notified each and every week so you can see more and more of these videos as I bring them to you. Also, subscribe. If you're subscribed like you should be, then you're part of the family. If you're not subscribed, you need to do so right now. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what your favorite feature of the San Juan Reimagined was. Let me know so that way I can continue to bring features like it, or even more features that I know that you would possibly like moving forward. If you want to contact me directly about the San Juan Reimagined, you know what to do. Run over to Instagram right now at TheMrTiny, at TheMrTiny, and you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the San Juan Reimagined as well as hundreds of other models directly off of my Instagram. You can contact me day or night, and I'll make sure that price is right. And again, I want to thank you for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.